What do you think people can expect when they come here?
Come on, you got good food, good crawfish. Can't get that up here up north, so they bringing it all the way down from Louisiana. Got a live band, live music, good brew beer. Beer is awesome. Bring your friends, get your family down here, have a good time. It's always a good time.